Hello and welcome to another update video about a link. On the link chart, we are still in a downtrend here. So we're still below the descending trend line. That obviously it's very simple, very easy to see. That keeps the trend down, doesn't it? And there is absolutely no confirmation at this stage that a lasting low has been established. So I'm watching for one more low. I did post that earlier today on Discord that I'm watching for another low. The reason is that, first of all, the price is below the trend line. That's not so important, but from the March top to where we are now, Link has not been able to form an impulse to the upside anywhere. And therefore, until the market breaks at least above the first resistance, and even that wouldn't be confirmation, but at least it would indicate that the market is at least motivated to turn this around to the upside. Well, until we break above the last, this nearest resistance area, I'm watching for further downside. Again, the reason is we haven't seen any impulsive rally from any low after March this year. That doesn't mean, of course it could happen at any point. It's just not there at the moment. And this means the trend is still down. We can always only analyze a chart based on what it is doing right now. Of course, we use historical patterns to get a better understanding of the context and the actual trend. Yeah, obviously price data is needed to provide an analysis, but you see that the rally from the 5th of August to the 26th of August was clearly just a three-wave move up. And yes, of course, we could be moving up in the white wave count. Of course, there could be a diagonal pattern that's unfolding, but really it's only working as a diagonal. So had this here been a 5-wave move, I'd be more bullish. Because this has only been a 3-wave move, I need to see the larger degree. So of course, a 3-wave move can always turn into a larger diagonal, but then I still need to see the 5 waves to confirm that a lasting low has been established here. This always gets more complicated when a possible impulse, which this could have become, turns into a diagonal. So there is more upside needed, but because we would have to wait quite long until it fills in 5 waves to possibly $20, I said, okay, what is the nearest resistance area? What's the bearish count? Because the bears seem to be in control. Okay. It's this complex WX, YX, Z structure. Here on this chart, Link could even form another low and still maintain an overall bullish potential or structure from the June low last year. That is still possible, but the move down is turning into a very complex WX, YX, Z pattern. Still possible though. But then I said, okay, what's the bearish count? Okay, it's this complex correction. That means the last leg down here would likely be an ABC structure. That means we're now in an A wave down of Z of 2. And the B wave corrective rally, that is leading to resistance into the area between $11.22 and $12. Roughly, okay? Roughly. And so $11.22 to $12.08, it doesn't have to get there, but this is standard resistance, which means that if we get a break above resistance, if it's a sustained break, I'm starting to lean towards the white count possibly. Yeah, at least I'm going to watch it more closely. That doesn't mean still that it's confirmed, but it means that at least we can track it. For now, there's a downtrend, okay, and there's nothing bullish about it, unfortunately. If the white count is playing out, there would be a reaction likely to this area between 892 and 963. That's the next Fibonacci support zone. And it also could be that the A wave bottoms here, yeah? And we form a B wave and then we go down. So it really is about, can we break above resistance together with a break above the trend line? And then maybe one more low can send us to 690, which is the larger 78.6 retracement. So at the moment, we are going down and the rally was in 3 waves and the market is weak and we even broke below the previous swing low here. So nothing bullish. However, the pivot here between 963 and 892 could be an area where the price attempts a reversal to the upside. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.